Daddy.
Grandpa got you. He found you in your tent. I don't know how, but he did. Oh, you're in the tent again.
Uh-oh. Peyton? Where's Peyton? Where is Peyton?
I thought you knew where she was.
Well, I thought so. Is that Peyton?
Oh, that's not Peyton.
That's not Peyton. Oh, is
That's
this
Peyton's
Peyton?
head.
What is this part? Oh, I got Peyton's hand. I got Peyton. I did have Peyton, but I don't have her anymore.
You lose her again?
Yeah.
Oh, Grandpa, what are we going to do with you?
Peyton?
That's clear.
Where is Scribble?
Peyton's sleeping. Everybody be quiet now. Peyton's not here. We lost Peyton.
Where are you? Peyton, where are you? Where'd you go? Where are you?
Ready for this?